From the Philippines' #1 website, we're offering you a mentorship program on how to create your online content, how to use digital platforms for your business, how to build your trust and connection with your audience. But our huge announcement, when you sign up, you'll be part of the pool that PhilSME and I, Organization I, and us will pick one winner of an extended coaching program to bring you to the realization of your goal for your SME. That's our pledge. And this is our way to giving back for all the support we've received through 18 years and for making us the best publication #1 this year.